Ever felt like your crypto was trapped in an exchange, like a bird in a cage longing for the open skies of your personal wallet? You're not alone. Many Kraken users, especially those new to the platform, find the withdrawal process a little confusing. They've bought their Bitcoin, maybe dabbled in some Ethereum, and now they're thinking, okay, how do I actually get this stuff into my own wallet where I have full control? That's exactly what we're going to break down in this video. We're going to walk through the Kraken withdrawal process step by step, demystifying the whole thing and giving you the confidence to move your crypto securely. Now, before we jump into the how, let's quickly touch on the why. Why would you want to withdraw your crypto from Kraken to your own wallet? There are several compelling reasons. Firstly, security. While Kraken is a reputable exchange, the golden rule of crypto is not your keys, not your coins. Keeping your crypto on an exchange means you're trusting them with your private keys. While exchanges have robust security measures, they are still potential targets for hackers. Storing your crypto in a wallet you control gives you ultimate ownership and reduces the risk of losing your funds in a hack. Secondly, control. When your crypto is in your own wallet, you have complete control over it. You can interact directly with the blockchain, participate in decentralized finance, DeFi, protocols, and generally have more freedom with your digital assets. Think of it like moving your cash from a bank account to your own wallet. You have more immediate access and control. Thirdly, privacy. While blockchain transactions are public, using your own wallet can offer a degree of privacy, especially if you take additional steps to anonymize your transactions. This is a complex topic in itself, but suffice to say, having your crypto in your own wallet gives you more options for managing your privacy. So, you're convinced. You want to withdraw your crypto from Kraken. Let's get into the nitty-gritty. The process is actually quite straightforward once you understand the steps. First, you'll need a wallet. This is crucial. You need a compatible wallet for the specific cryptocurrency you're withdrawing. You can't send Bitcoin to an Ethereum wallet, for example. There are different types of wallets: software wallets, hardware wallets, and even paper wallets. Software wallets are applications you install on your computer or phone. They're convenient but require you to secure your device properly. Hardware wallets are physical devices, often resembling USB drives, that store your private keys offline. They're considered the most secure option. Paper wallets involve printing your private keys on a piece of paper. While secure if done correctly, they're less convenient for frequent transactions. For this tutorial, we'll assume you have a software wallet set up. Let's say you want to withdraw Bitcoin. You've already installed your Bitcoin wallet and have your wallet address ready. This address is a string of characters that acts like your bank account number for receiving Bitcoin. It's crucial to copy this address correctly. Any mistake can result in your Bitcoin being lost forever. Now, head over to Kraken and log into your account. Navigate to the Withdraw section. You'll typically find this under Funding or a similar menu. Select the cryptocurrency you want to withdraw, in this case, Bitcoin. Kraken will then ask you for the withdrawal address. This is where you carefully paste the Bitcoin address you copied from your wallet. Double-check, triple-check, and even quadruple-check this address. It's the most critical step. A small typo can lead to irreversible loss. Next, you'll enter the amount of Bitcoin you want to withdraw. Be aware of any minimum withdrawal amounts and network fees. Kraken will typically display the network fee, which is the cost of processing the transaction on the Bitcoin blockchain. This fee goes to the miners who validate transactions. Once you've entered the amount and confirmed the address, Kraken might require you to complete two-factor authentication, 2FA. This is an extra layer of security that requires you to enter a code from your phone or another device. It's highly recommended to enable 2FA on your Kraken account. After confirming the withdrawal, Kraken will process your request. This can take anywhere from a few minutes to an hour or more, depending on the network congestion and the specific cryptocurrency. You can track the status of your withdrawal on Kraken's platform. They'll usually provide a transaction ID, which you can use to check the progress of the transaction on the blockchain explorer. Once the transaction is confirmed on the blockchain, the Bitcoin will arrive in your wallet. You can then view your balance in your wallet software. Congratulations! You've successfully withdrawn Bitcoin from Kraken to your own wallet. Now, a few important tips to keep in mind. Always start with a small test withdrawal. Don't send all your crypto in one go. Send a small amount first to ensure you've entered the address correctly and that the withdrawal process works smoothly. This can save you from a potentially costly mistake. Secondly, be patient. Blockchain transactions can take time. Don't panic if your withdrawal doesn't show up instantly. Check the transaction status on Kraken and the blockchain explorer. Thirdly, keep your wallet software updated. Updates often include security patches and improvements. Fourthly, back up your wallet. This is absolutely essential. If you lose your wallet or your device, you'll lose your crypto if you don't have a backup. Most wallets provide a seed phrase, a list of words that can be used to recover your wallet. Store this seed phrase securely, preferably offline and in multiple locations. Finally, be aware of phishing scams. Never click on links in emails or messages claiming to be from Kraken or your wallet provider. Always access these platforms directly through your browser or app. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.